Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are healthy at your home. In the previous video, I have covered the exercise till the number 8. Today, we will start with the question number 9, which is find the distance. Based on this pictorial information, we have some question answers. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 1. What is the total distance from home to school? Here is a home and here is a school. So we have to count the total distance between this to this point. So here, what will you do? You are going to add 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 8 kilometer and 6 kilometers. See, 5 plus 3. I'm just write down the numbers. So it will make your work easy. So here is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's 22 kilometer. By doing the addition of all the distance, you will get the distance from home to school. Number 2, what is the total distance from market to school? Here is a market and here is the school. So you have to add 8 kilometer plus 6 kilometers. So 8 plus 6. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So your answer is 14 kilometers. Number 3. What is the total distance from temple to bus station? Here is a temple, here is a bus station. 8 plus 3. 3 plus 8, which is 11 kilometers. Number 4. What is the difference between the total distance from temple to school and the total distance from bus station to school? So here we have to find out the distance from temple to school. Here is a temple and here is a school. So what is the distance? Temple to school, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 6, after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 kilometer minus bus station to school, 6. So what is the answer? 11 kilometer. That's the answer of question number 4. Now we'll move to the question number 10, which is addition. We have done the addition till the 3rd standard, and so I'm going to do the random addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 4. You will start counting after 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. मैंने आप सबको सिखाया था कैसे करते हैं. Right? Centimeter, you must write down the below in answer. 5 plus 8. So always keep the big number in your mind and 5 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ka 3. Carry 1. 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. I think you can do it this thing. Okay. Yourself. एक मीटर वाला करके दिखाती हूँ. So you know how to do the sums with the meter measurement. Okay, same thing. 5 plus 7. So 7 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ka 2, carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now we will do one sum with the meter and centimeter. So you will get an idea. 3 plus 4, 7. 8 plus 6. So 8 in your mind. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. I'm counting till the 6 cuts. So it's 14. 4, carry 1. No need to confuse in this. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. See, once you are having addition of meter and centimeter both combinedly, no need to worry. Just do the addition as we have done normally. Okay. So, rest of the examples you have to finish it yourself. Next, question number 11 is a subtraction where I will do some of the examples. Most probably I will do the example which are having borrow. So, make sure before you are doing subtraction, you will make sure you can always subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. बड़े में से छोटे नंबर को ही आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो, बट फ्रॉम द स्मॉलर नंबर यू कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट द बिगर नंबर. फाइन. हियर इज अ 2. From the 2 you can subtract the 7. No, it is not possible, so you will take borrow. Once you cut the one number, at that time you cut the next number. Here 8 before 7 and the 1 and the number which you cut, right? So after you have to start counting after 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here is a 5 fingers. So your answer is 5. Start counting after 5, 6, 7. So here is 2. Don't forget to put the unit after it. So here we will do this. 6 minus 7. It is not possible as 6 is a smaller number than 7. So you will cut one number. At the same time you will cut the next number. So 6 before 5 and here 1 and the number which you cut. This is our trick that we have learned in 3rd standard, right? So after 7 you have to count. Start counting after 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 cuts. 5 minus 2. So after 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 fingers. You can also count with the cuts or with the fingers. Again, as I told you, I will show you the sums which are having borrow only. See, 0 minus 5 is not possible, so I will cut one number. At that time I will cut the next number. 9 before 8, 1 and the number which you cut. 10 minus 5, 5 and 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Here number 12, see, 0 minus 7, not possible. So one number, when you cut the one number, at that time you cut the next number. 5 before 4, 1 and the number which you cut. Now 10 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4 minus 3, 1. Again 0 minus 3 is not possible. 1, 2. एक नंबर कट करो, उसके साथ आगे वाला नंबर कट कर ही देना. Here is 4 before 3, 1 and the number which you cut. 10 minus 3. So you will start counting after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here is 7 cuts. 3 minus 9, again not possible. Cut. 1 before 0 and the 1 and number which you cut. After 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So here is a 4 and 0 minus 0. See, I am going to show you the same 0 kind of example over here. So 0 minus 4, not possible. 1 and the number which you cut, and here is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. And here is 6. 7 minus 7, 0. But 0 minus 9, not possible. So when you cut one number, at that time you cut the next number. 2 before 1 and 1 and the number which you cut. 10 minus 9. So here is 1 and 1 minus 0, 1. Look at here. Number 11. 4 minus 7, which is not possible. So what will you do for that? Definitely we'll take borrow. 1, 2. 1 and the number which you cut, and 8 before 7. So 14 minus 7, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 3, not possible. Once you cut the one number, at that time you cut the next number. 3 before 2, and here 1 and the number which you cut. 12 minus 3. So you will start counting after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many cuts? These are 9 cuts. So write down here, your answer is 9, and 2 minus 1, 1. So rest of the examples you have to do it yourself. Let's move to the question number 12, which is solve the problem. Number 1, Manish is 150 centimeter tall and his sister is 117 centimeter tall. So who is taller from both and how much? Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या find out करना है? We have to find out who is the taller. So how and how much? So definitely we can easily compare. Here is a 150 centimeter and 117 centimeter. So Manish is taller than his sister. So Manish is taller than his sister, right? And how much? So for that we need to find out the subtraction. Then we will get the difference of both the height. Here is 150 centimeter is height of Manish and 117 centimeter which is height of his sister. First we will do subtraction. 0 minus 7 not possible. 10 and 4. 3, 3, 0. The height, the answer is 33 centimeter, which is the more height of Manish than his sister. That's the difference. Now number 2 question. Suresh is 1 meter 24 centimeter tall. Meenal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. What is the total height of both of them? That's super easy. Here we have to find out the total height of Suresh and Meenal. But can you read the sentence? Meenal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. So here first we will do the subtraction. We will subtract the 15 centimeter from the height of Suresh. Then we will get the height of Meenal. Okay. Look at here. 1 meter 24 centimeters is the height of Suresh. From that which we will subtract the 15 centimeter which is less height of Meenal. Okay. So here is 4 minus 5 not possible. So 14. 1 minus 1 0. After 5 you will start counting till the 14. After 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it's 9. And here is nothing. So what is the Meenal's height? Meenal's height is 1 meter 9 centimeter. Now we are going to add the height of both Suresh and Meenal. Look at here, 1 meter 24 centimeter height of Suresh plus 1 meter 9 centimeter, which is height of Meenal. Okay. So now we are going to do addition after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ka 3, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, which is total height of Suresh and Meenal. Let's move to the question number 3, where Sunil is going to Ahmedabad 25 km far from a place and Naren is going to Mehsana 45 km far from the same place. Both are going in opposite direction. Then what is the distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana? So here in this question, this is the scenario. Here is a place. Okay. From this place, Sunil is going to Ahmedabad 25 km and Naren is going to Mehsana 45 km far from the same place and both are going in opposite direction. मतलब दोनों opposite direction में जा रहे हैं. So then what is the distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana? So we have to find out the distance from A means Ahmedabad, M means Mehsana. So what will we do? We are going to add both the distance. So here can you see that 25 km is a distance from a given place to Ahmedabad and 45 km is a distance from a given place to Mehsana. By doing the addition of both the distance, we will get the total distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, which is a total distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana. Now, turn your page where you will find out question number 13. The result of long jump for children are as below. Answer the following question on its basis. Pintu's long jump is the longest, 3 meter 50 centimeter. Raju is at the second position. His jump is 30 centimeter less than Pintu's. And Guddu at third position. His jump is 10 centimeter less than Raju's. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out what. Okay. First question is, how long is Raju's jump? Here the information is Raju is at the second position and his jump is 30 centimeter less than Pintu's. Okay. So what is the longest distance? 3 meter 50 centimeter. From 3 meter 50 centimeter, we have to subtract 30 centimeter. We can do it orally. 50 minus 30. So it will be 3 meter 20 centimeter is the distance that he has jumped and he is at the second position. Our second number question is, how long is Guddu's jump? Now, what is the information regarding Guddu? Guddu is at third position. His jump is 10 centimeter less than Raju's centimeter. Now you will subtract the centimeter from the centimeter. So what is the distance? 3 meter 20 centimeter of Raju, right? So from the 20 you will subtract the 10 centimeter. So you can do it orally. 3 meter 10 centimeter. Our number third question, how long is Pintu's jump than Guddu's jump? Again, as we all know, we can subtract only the centimeter from the centimeter and meter from the meter. So, while you are doing the oral subtraction, make sure you can subtract the centimeter from the centimeter. Okay, you cannot subtract the centimeter from meter. So our third number question, how long is Pintu's jump than Guddu's jump? So here we have to do the subtraction. You have to find out the difference. Okay, how long? Pintu's jump is 3 meter 50 centimeter and Guddu's jump is 3 meter 10 centimeter. So 50 minus 10, 40 centimeter, and 3 meter minus 3 meter, here is a 0 meter. So your answer is 40 centimeter. Question number 4. What is the difference between Raju's jump and Pintu's jump? So here, what is the distance of Raju's jump? 3 meter 20 centimeter and Pintu's jump is 3 meter 50 centimeter. So we can easily see that the meter and the meter are same. So we have to only subtract the 50 minus 20, that is 30 centimeter. Now we will move to the next question. Our next question is answer the following question on the basis of the picture. Can you see that there are some girls are running on the running race, and based on this there are some question answer. So you have to look at the picture and see the distance between them and find out the answer. First question is, how far is Genal from Pyre? So where is Genal? Here is a Genal and here is a Pyre. So how far is Genal? 3 meter. So write down here, answer is 3 meter. Our second number question is, how far ahead is Genal from Menal and Binal? From Menal and Binal, how far ahead? Genal is 6 centimeter, 6 meter far from Menal and Binal. उससे वो कितनी दूर है? जीनल, बीनल और मीनल से कितनी दूर है? 6 सेंटीमीटर. Number 3 question, how far is Menal and Binal from finishing line? So here is a finishing line. Menal and Binal is far away from the finishing line, and they are 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter. So here the distance from the finishing line. First we will count 6 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the distance is 15 meter from finishing line.